So hello everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9. So after watching this video, definitely you will have some confidence in solving this IELTS reading. So this reading was part of 18th May 2024. So on this I am saying this on the basis of students' response on WhatsApp, and also they are showing me only, they are texting me only reading passage name. So on the name of passage, so I am finding these reading passages. So no need to get PDF, I am telling you, you do practice with me. So within shorter time we will just follow all keyword strategy and solving this reading passage. Of course you can dream of 9 bands, and after dreaming of this 9 bands you can get at least 7 and 7.5 in reading, okay, without reading anything in detail from the reading passage. Now let's look at the questions we have. Complete the sentences below, and this is classify the following as typical. So there are two types of question in this reading. So we will start from this first type of question, and if you want you can start it from this second type of question. So here one thing I want to tell. So this is first type of question, this is second type of question. So if you start looking for the location of these questions, definitely it will take time. This is time consuming when because location of first question and you are looking for the second type of question, it will take time. So it's better to start with first type of question, because first in initial 4-5 paragraphs they must be dedicated to this these questions, and then last 2-3 paragraphs will be dedicated to this complete the sentences. So I will show you. So let's start with this classify the following as typical. It means list of people kind of question is this. So we have to select. So this is not people. So I don't know what are these. They are saying classify the following as typical. So these words we have to find it in the paragraph, and then whatever things will be matching with these statements. From 14 to 22 statements are there. So let's read these statements first and then come out with the keywords. So these are the keywords, I can say it this also. So they inhabited central Kenya, they lived in Kenya for about 16 to 14 Mayo, and then again this and this. So here there was a difference, these two things and Orion, and here this is difference, this word is also keyword. So they constituted northern Kenya, they lived in northern and southern Greece around 9 Mayo, Greece. They are well known inhabitants of western and central Europe. They were inhabitants of Chad between 7 and 6 million years ago. They were from Turkey and Europe. Okay, now within 30 seconds we have read all the options and come out with the keywords also. Now we will follow just these 2-3 things first, because we have to find location. Location we can find it with these things, Kenya, Pithis, Orion, and these things. Okay, whatever we can get it first we will read from there, and then we will come out to match these information. So first paragraph is this, I will try to match Orion, and this different type of spellings are there. So I will not be reading anything more, like I will just scan the text here. Okay, so these 3 things are there, we have just marked it in the, so this also, okay, but we are not looking for, we are looking first of these things. Homo and other species of Homo species lived Netherlands. In addition, we and predecessors have shared earth like primates from modern gorilla to long extinct. So but no words like that in this paragraph. Okay, let's go to second paragraph. We are looking for these words, different kind of words. See this. So look at these words. Subject of investigation, this person name, this Victorian contemporaries in sit. So I am looking for my keyword, so I will not read so much. 30 have a common ancestor, millions of years, the ancestral species, missing link along a lineage. Okay, this ancient primate has been identified never because fossil relationship. More family tree, better describe family. Oh no, here also nothing is there. In second paragraph, nothing is matching with these spellings. Okay, let's move to next third paragraph. So you can see the spellings also. Africa and Eurasia indicates family has lived at the same time. Human history, specimen, location they were found, questions of how, either scenarios. These scenarios are in the localities where fossils in the family. Researchers diverse fossils specialize geo techniques, ethology. In short, this word is there, ph. No, nothing is there here also. My god, 3 paragraphs we have read and we are not getting any spelling related. Okay, let's move to next paragraph also. See this, how much time we are just this question is taking out, so we haven't found anything. Modern human culture, thousands of year, epoch and years, particular attention is fossil evidence for this history to, nothing is there in this paragraph also. So where are we missing something? So okay, this question middle same words are coming, Eurasian and African. Then there is, oh now I think these words are coming up. See this spelling, this so many words are coming up. So every word is here in this paragraph. Okay, so now though there is no consensus among experts, the primates suggested include this all are included here. See this, and now they have started talking what, first one, inhabited Kenya, and this lived in inhabited Kenya and lived in Central Europe and Turkey from this. Okay, so this one is, and this one and this G1 is matching with, yes, let's see the options. After so much struggle we have got these words. Now what they are saying, this word inhabited Kenya and this lived in Central Europe. Let's find Central Europe. Central Kenya is there, Central Europe somewhere. 16 and 14 Mayo, Turkey and Europe, and lived in period from 16 to 14. See this, G lived in Central Europe and Turkey from about 16 to Mayo. So okay, so we can just write this, match it with G1, that is G only. So here we will just write G1. Okay, and here they inhabited Central Kenya. So I think this will come with Central Kenya. Here they are saying inhabited Kenya, only Kenya is written, and options are 2. They inhabited Central Kenya, they lived in Kenya for about 16 to 14. So 16 to 14 is combined with these two lines. See this, from here to here, you can see this. Okay, so we can just match it with 16 number, it is A. It is A option. Okay, now next option is here, you can see this. After this, now this one is best known from Western and Central Europe, where it lived for 13 to 14. Okay, so best known for Central Europe. Okay, Central Europe. See this dry, this is best known for Western and Central Europe. Okay, 13. So Central, see this, they are well known inhabitants of Western and Central Europe. So here for this it is Central and Western. So I will just mark it with this, that is dry, this F number. So we will just mark it F number. Okay, now next one is, after this again lived in northern and southern Greece. So this word was also there, northern and southern Greece. So northern and southern Greece. So for this also we can mark G1. Okay, G again, this G is coming, G. Okay, so G has come twice. Okay, okay, next one is Samburu in northern Kenya. In northern Kenya is here, and for this we have this option, Samburu, this thing. So this is E. So they are talking about this in northern Kenya. So see, this northern Kenya is this E number. So we have selected so many things, and it's important to know that in one paragraph they have given everything. Now again, this is also word we were looking, inhabited Chad between 7 to 8. Chad is also, this given is here. So his, see this word is this one. So C number will come with here, C will come. Okay, so now only these two bigger one are left. Okay, now next one is, okay, now in this here we can see these three words. So among models that stress Eurasian species, some consider this to be ancestor only to human lineage containing this and this. Various others entertain possibility this is close to pan and gorilla on the well. Okay. So we are looking for polygenetic model which emphasize African. So African word, African was here only. African is also here. So what we have left now, let's look at this. This we have left, and F also we have done, this also we have done. Sorry, so now these spellings are, I got confused between, this is also starting from this is also starting from this. Let's find this. Yes, so I think this is the C1 they are talking. This D1, same spelling. So we can match it with this homo. So homo is his here. So we can match it with, this is D1. This D1 is matching with this. Now we have left this one, Orion. Orion, where we can get Orion? Orion is in next paragraph. See, this Orion word is here. Orion, these three things are there. It means it is perfectly matching with Orion. B1. So B1 will come with B1 will come with 14 number. Okay, now we have, okay, this one is left with which it will come. So everything we have done, only this central Kenya is not there. Let's read where they have talked about Kenya only. So here again Orion was from central Kenya 6 miles. So again B will come with central Kenya. See this central Kenya. So they inhabited central Kenya. So it means again B will come, B will come with these two things. Okay. Now coming to fill in the blanks, complete the sentences below, no more than 2 words. Due to major global, okay, this word, let's find it. Now till here we have got this first type of question. Now we have left this full paragraph and one more paragraph is there. So as I told you, first question, attempt your reading according to the types of question they have divided. Examiner has divided the reading according to the paragraphs. So here we are looking for due to major global dash, this one. Major global, it witnessed more seasonal condition with cold winter. Okay. So here first line says the Mekong epoch was characterized by major global, same thing we have got, that led to more seasonal conditions. So same sentence structure they have given. So it's easy if you find if you have found the location like that. So same thing we are looking for major global, due to major global dash, major global climate changes we will write, because everything is there. It witnessed more seasonal conditions with colder winters and all. Okay, so here we can write climate changes. So next question is the remains of primate. So primate is here, suggests that they had large premolar and molar teeth. Okay, so primate is there, and let's finish this passage. In many habitants like primates, even broad-leaved. So I am looking for molar, premolar and molar teeth with thick. So let's find it. Mosaic shrublands teeth. We are looking for premolar and molar teeth. So here including primates, there were a larger variety, great number of antelope, pigs, giraffe, elephant. So they are not talking about any teeth and all. Causes our ancestors were not strictly heavy carnivorous. So we are looking for this question. See this premolar and molar teeth for primates. Carnivores including a diet that rely on tough vegetation including seeds, stems, nuts, leaves and tubers is suggested by primate remains. So now the sentence structure is coming, bearing large premolar and molar teeth with thick enamel. So enamel will come here. Now next one, dash is not only a defining trait for homini but it is necessary for walking on the lower limbs. Now one more paragraph is left, small paragraph, see this. So I can see, so limbs and homini word is here. So let's read it from here, see this. Dash not only a defining trait for homini, okay, but necessary for walking. Okay, let's read it. Here they are saying, from where we should read it. Indeed, obligate terrestrial, this that is the ability and necessity of walking. So walking is given, so it means ability and necessity of walking. So here they are saying ability is not only a defining trait for homini but it is necessary for walking on the lower limbs. It means, so how they have paraphrased the sentence structure, just note it down. Now we have finished this reading ability.